talk to your dad now?
Yes.
Okay.
Videotape.
Videotape. Okay, here you go, buddy. Just put to your ear, it's calling right now.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, guy, what's up?
We got the mail.
What?
We got the mail.
Yeah, you got the mail? What about it?
I just told you.
Oh, you're just calling me to tell me that you got the mail and put it in the house?
Yes.
Okay.
Is it,
That's all you wanted to call me for?
what?
That's all you wanted to call me for?
Yeah.
Okay.
Love you. Bye.
Buddy. You didn't have anything else to say. Say hello.
Hi.
How was your bike ride?
Bad.
How was the bike ride?
Bad.
How was your day?
Good.
Are you guys too tired to go on our bike ride?
Give it the hour.
Okay, should we take a rest? Aiden's been sleeping out in the sun.
Sleeping?
Were you tanning this morning?
He was sleeping?
Well, he didn't actually fall asleep,
Did
but
that video camera
my
How'd you
house-
get it to work?
I charged it. No, he was just laying out in the, see the tricycle? He was riding it around and then he would just lay on it and then he started to sleep in the ditch. And then he got his,
Are we going by names yet, or are you just doing this?
whatever you want. Then he took his blanket and he was laying in the street. I keep moving him, he kept trying to go on the road. So then I eventually carried him inside. Are you feeling okay? Little James?
I need to FaceTime Lily.
What time is it?
12:47.
She said she'd come at like 1 o'clock. Do you want to let Zeke in?
Oh, my dad got
FaceTime?
Yeah, and Brogan put up this hippopotamus, and the tail went up, and it went, and gas came out of it, and it went.
What?
Do it, Brogan.
What?
Do that rhino thing.
I can't.
Rhino is the and put him tail up, gas come out in butt. Do that today.
And shame. Like this.
What?
Just shame to Lily when she picks up.
What does that mean?
Like tisk tisk, bad bad, naughty naughty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. No, can I go? Not today.
Today.
Over here.
Not today. Not today.
When she picks up. Where is she?
At home.
She says she'd be here at 12.
No, she's coming at 1. Wait, did you guys eat lunch already?
Today.
She was coming at 1?
Mm-hmm.
Today. Not today.
Okay, she's not picking up.
And
Oh, my feet.
please FaceTime Willie. FaceTime Willie.
You want me to? She won't pick up because it's me.
What?
She's probably on her way here already.
Yeah, but then it would say Lily Beck is not available for FaceTime.
What if she forgot her iPod?
Or the tablet. I made this for Aiden.
Yeah, does he like it?
Pretty, hey, it's mine. Very much.
Something you're supposed to do. Oh, perfect! You missed it, dude.
I watched it this morning.
You had?
Yeah.
Why are you having 2, man?
We need to buy
Well,
Remember when this wasn't here?
Mm-hmm. But then it got too dangerous. Like, there were no rocks to climb on anymore.
There are. It's not
Well, it does drop off over
It's like
there.
a mini fall.
Yes.
We'll go down there a little bit, okay?
That's when my shoes get wet.
Yeah, you can get your shoes wet.
Guys, I can just step in the water.
Super pumped about that, huh? Should we just throw you in?
Oh, the falls are weak.
Yeah, they usually are nowadays.
Oh, this is a fall.
The waterfall!
Why are the falls so weak?
Danger do not enter.
Let's go.
You need to cut some of this crap down.
Lily, remember when you were in school and you came over here? That was like a month ago.
Yeah, and that's all overgrown.
Move!
When me
Why do you
and Anna
ask?
came back here, it was grown like this too, but less.
Why is it so weak?
There's a lot of water, so everything grows. Did you give up?
What?
Did you give up?
No, there's no rock.
Oh, sugar. Right there on that rock, dude. And then you said go for it. Oh!
That was bad, John.
That was terrible, dude.
What if I go to this rock?
Dude, children. You guys wait right there, okay? Yeah, move a rock for me.
I got it. I can't help you.
Thanks.
I have no idea how to do it.
I just went for it. Hey, you guys be careful.
Dude, take off your shoes.
Okay, Aiden, be careful. Buddy, is that okay that you're getting those shoes wet?
Brady, you might as well take them off.
Hold this. I gotta get my camera. Hang on, buddy, let me get my camera.
I got some strands, you can see.
Just be careful on the rocks that they're not sharp. Okay.
Here they are. And that eye.
Brogan, hold on, buddy. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. What are you doing at me?
Nothing.
So on the city is so cute. You're just on
Why
me?
did you take your shoes off?
I know, but you can. I got my. Yo, you guys. Can you be careful, please?
They have no sense of danger.
Smile at me. Here, help Aiden. help Aiden get up, dude. Brady, Danny, stay right there and smile. All three of you. Hold on to him. Now smile, Danny. Smile, Alan. Perfect. Now, don't fall.
Can I stop?
We can go by the water under the tunnel. Look at that face of terror. Looking scared.
Did you start the video vlog already?
That's what we've been doing, silly. Brady, smile at me. Lily, move your head. He's looking really fly right now and you're messing it up. Aiden, Brady. Oh my god. Hang on. Cute. Get. Show me. Where's the frog, dude? He got a crawfish.
What?
See, we got the same experience, you guys. Would you drop it?
Where'd you grab this for? I want to see it. Oh my god, I've never. Ew. Here. Hey, yo.
You like mini crabs?
Those ones are.
Oh, she took my phone.
It was in my pocket.
Yeah, I told you. Oh, no, I didn't.
Yeah, I can still use the camera.
Whoa! Holy crap. Right here. See it? I got him. What? Bunny.
Say hi, frog.
Hey, here, you can hold him. I'm going to hold the frog.
I want to take a picture of it.
No, put on him.
No! Oh my god, I hate frogs.
Maybe if you kiss it,
She's just holding on to that.
Yeah.
maybe if you kiss it, it'll turn into a princess. It'll turn into a princess.
Brady, you're close. What are you doing? I just noticed. Oh well, we'll have to change it home.
Why didn't
anyway.
you just wear your swimsuit?
I know, I don't know why he didn't change. Yesterday he was, so it's fine. Okay, do you guys want to go under the tunnel? No, Aiden, no more up there. We're not going up there anymore.
Huge one.
We're gonna go. You can take a shower in the tunnel. Okay.
Where's tunnel?
Where? By the over there. Let me see the fish.
You're so talented.
Holy, there's a dead crawfish. Dead crawfish.
Okay, now let it swim.
Somebody hold on to
Which one's
these.
dead?
You
You killed them?
No, that's what I'm doing.
Where?
How the heck did he catch that?
No way! I don't want to get pinned.
Hold on by him, tail.
No, put it in Aiden's shoe. Put it in James's shoe.
Oh.
Where's your shoe? Right there. Where?
Don't put my shoe in there.
You're not wearing it, buddy.
No.
Aiden.
Yeah.
You're okay.
Put it from it, boy.
They'll dump it out. See, if you were wearing them, they wouldn't be in your shoe.
Hold it.
Don't take hot water.
And put some water in it.
Keep it like this. Stop it, hold it like this. I can't throw out. No. If you look like this. Kim.
Ah, no, get that away from me.
Okay, give me it.
Alan, what are you thinking?
Hold that down and I can't get out.
No, that's just cruel.
Hold it.
Oh gosh, that is scary.
They're coming out! With their pincers and everything!
Ah!
Put the other shoe on top.
Aiden, get that shoe now. I caught another fish.
Can I see you, Sammy?
Dude, how do you catch these fish?
They're just floating at the top. I'll show you.
That's a big one. He's just swimming around.
Aiden, get that shoe now. Come here.
I want to catch fish.
Aaron, come here.
I need to take these shoes off.
Oh, there he is. Swim, swim.
Ow.
Take your shoes off.
Gross.
I
I
can't.
don't know why we didn't wear like flip flops
Watch
or
for the
a
crawfish.
boot.
Throw it out here.
Okay, don't put my shoes off.
Down one, guys.
Hello, child of mine.
You're so cute.
James, no.